Hello guys, welcome to MySQL database part 7. In this video we are going to discuss about select statement and where clause. So let's start the video. Here I already written select statement and where clause. Let's go through it. The first one is select statement. Why we use select statement in MySQL? Because the select statement main purpose is to show data present in a table. Inside table there are multiple columns, so many rows present in a table. To know that, we use select statement from table. Now let's take an example. If you work for a company or any type of organization, at that time there are multiple columns present in a table and you does not familiar with all column present in a table, and you need to know the name of column present in a table. Then how you can find that name of column? So for that you just need to write select star from table name. So you can find all columns and all row present in a table. This is how select statement work. Now sometimes there are query also. You need to show only particular column present in a table. Suppose there are 10 columns present in a table and you need to show only column 1, column 2, column 3 and column 4. And how you return the command in a MySQL? At that time you just need to write select column 1 comma column 2 comma column 3 comma column 4 from table name, and it show all details of that particular column which you mentioned in select statement. Now let's move to where clause. Why we use where clause in MySQL? Because when you write select statement in MySQL, at that time it show us all detail present in a table. And suppose there are 10,000 rows, 30,000 rows present in a table, and you need to find only particular information of particular employee. At that time you just need to go through all rows present in a table. It's very time consuming. To reduce time, we use where clause. Where clause is used for filtration in table. It's work like filtration in a table. When you compare both conditions like select command and where clause, at that time you can see I just write select statement as upper one, and where the select statement I put where condition. Now let's move to command prompt to make it more practical. Inside MySQL I already create test2 database. Inside the table 1, the table 1 is present in table 2 test2 database. Now here you can see ID, name, department, age, join year and salary. Now you want to know all detail present in a table and all column. You does not familiar with this column. For that we use select statement. Select, just put star from table 1. Now you can see all columns and all row present in a table. Now your manager said you need to show only particular column detail, not all detail present in a table. For that you just need to write command as upper one. Just put column name. Suppose I want to show ID. After that I want to show name. After that department, employee department, whose department his work, and salary also from table 1. Now it shows all detail. So now I am changing the arrangement and it show detail as per arrangement. It shows detail which I mentioned in select statement. Okay. Now inside table there is department also. I want to know how many departments present in a table. So I just need to write here select that column name from table 1. Here you can see it shows 10 departments present in table, but in actual there is IT, account, reception and HR. Only 4 departments present in table. So how we remove duplicate rows present in a table? For that we just need to write query as upper one and just put word as distinct before the column name. Now it filter all rows and shows only unique value, means it remove duplicate rows and shows only unique value. This is how select statement distinct word work. Let's use star from table 1. Now here you can see all columns, but all row also it's shown by select statement. Now I want to know only information like money detail, so I need to go through all rows and then and find money detail. So to remove we use where clause. So I just need to write here where name is equal to Manish. If data is in string format, then use double inverted comma. Otherwise, if you doesn't use double inverted comma, then it's okay. Now it show me Manish ID is 5, his department is account, his age is 15, joining year is 2018, and salary is 8,000. Now I also want to know how many employees whose age is greater than 20. So I just need to write here command as where age is greater than 20. I can use greater than less than sign because age is in integer format. That's why I'm using greater than or less than sign. Now you can see it show me the details of employee whose age is greater than 20. Now inside where condition there are two format also, and or. How to use and or? Suppose I have two details of employees whose age is greater than 20 and department of IT. For that I just need to write here, I just put here and write department is equal to ITT. So now it shows whose age is greater than 20 and department is IT. Now how we use or in a where clause. So I just need to write here as a condition upper one and department is equal to IT. So it's showing only IT, but I want to know who's the employee who's working accounting department. So I just put here department is equal to accounts. So now it show me employee whose age is greater than 20 and working accounts and IT department also. This is how and or condition using where clause. In our next video we are going to discuss about how to use different function in MySQL in where clause and select statement also. So here is the end of lecture. Thank you.